Good morning, everyone. Today, my topic is insocial elements and transposons. Most of the classical genetics investigations, right from the time of Gregor Mendel, are based on the assumptions that genes occupy fixed locations on chromosomes and chromosome mapping, genetic mapping too depends on the same assumption. Some workers in 1940s have found that some DNA sequences, that is genes, can in fact change their position. These mobile DNA sequences or elements have been variously called as jumping genes, mobile elements, cassettes, insocial elements transposition. The formal family of mobile genes is transposable elements and their moment is called transposition. Transposable elements. Transposable elements are DNA sequences that move from one location in a chromosome to another within the same chromosome or into the another non-homologous chromosome. The original discovery of transposable elements was made in maize by Barbara McClintock, who in the 1940s correlated regular breaks in chromosome with the deactivation of purple pigment genes in corn seeds. Reactivation of pigment genes was also associated with the same breaks appearing at other places in the genome. We now know this as jumping genes, which carry with them the genes that control their ability to duplicate and reinsert themselves into multiple places within genomes. Transposable elements or jumping genes are found situated in a very special type of DNA sequence. The latter consist of bases at one end which are complementary to those at the other end. Transposons in prokaryotes. Transposons is a term used by R.W. Hegdes and A.E. Jacob in 1974. As mentioned earlier, transposons can move from one molecule to another and carried a resistance for antibiotic amplicin. They observed the transfer of one molecule to another resistance from one plasmid to another was accompanied by an increase in size of the recipient DNA molecule of the bacterium. The recipient plasmid could donate this resistance to another plasmid which also showed a similar increase in size, thus providing that transfer of DNA segment was involved. This DNA segment called a transposons can occupy different sites in the genome, can be transposed between two bacterial chromosomes or two plasmids or between a plasmid and a bacterial chromosome. It was shown that two ends of each of the strands in transposons consisted of a nucleotide sequence that were complementary to each other but in reverse order. For instance, if one end has CCAGACC, the other end will have GTCTGGG. This inverted repeats will form stem and loop structure characteristic of such repeats. Second one, transposons in eukaryotes. On the basis of their structure, transposons in eukaryotes can be classified into four types. Those with a long terminal direct repeats, example Copia in Drosophila, TY in yeast, and IAP in mice. Those with long terminal inverted repeats, example FB, TE in Drosophila. Those with short terminal inverted repeats, example P and I in Drosophila, AC or DS in maize, TAML in snapdragon, and TCL in Snidor habiditis, and those with terminal repeats, example ALU in mammals. In another classification on the basis of mechanism of transposition, transposable elements are also classified into two classes. Those which transpose by reverse transcription of an RNA intermediate, that is DNA, RNA, DNA, class 1, example copia like TY, IAP, LF, LIF, etc. And those which transpose directly, DNA to DNA class 2, example P, AC, SPM or EN, TAM, TCL. Characteristics of transposable elements. They are found to be a DNA sequence that code for enzyme which bring about the insertion of an identical copy of themselves into a new DNA site. Transposition events involve both recombination and replication processes which frequently generate two daughter copies. If the original transposable elements occupy transposable elements, one copy remains at the parent site while the other appears at the target site, that is on the host chromosome. Since transposable elements carry signals for the initiation of RNA synthesis, they sometimes activate previously dormant genes. A transposable element is not a replicon, thus it cannot replicate apart from the host chromosome the way that plasmids and phage can. Types of transposable elements. insertion sequence or simple transposons. The insertion sequence are shorter and do not code for proteins. Insertion sequences carry the genetic information for their transposition, that is the gene for the enzyme transposase. There are different insertion sequences such as 1s1, 1s2, 1s3, 1s4 and so on in E. coli. Insertion sequences have been found in bacteriophages in F1 F factor plasmid and many bacteria. This is the diagram of insertion sequence. Transposons or complex transposons. Transposons are several thousand base pair long and have genes coding for one or more proteins. The hallmark of transposons is the presence of identical inverted terminal repeat sequences of 8 to 38 base pair. Each type of transposon has its own unique inverted repeat. On either side of transposon is a short direct repeat. The sequence into which a transposable element inserts is called a target sequence. Example of transposons. First one, TN3 transposon of E. coli. TN3 has 4957 base pair and contains three genes such as TNPA, TNPR and BLA coding respectively for the following proteins. First one, transpose having 1015 amino acids and required for transposition. Second one, a repressor containing 185 amino acids which regulates the transpose. Third one, beta lactamase enzyme which confers resistance to antibiotic amplicin. Second one, bacteriophage mu. Bacteriophage mu is a temperate bacteriophage having typical phage proteins and could be regarded as a giant transposons. Phage mu was thought to behave in a unique manner since it does not multiply in a lytic way. Third one, yeast TY elements. The yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae carries about 35 copies of transposable elements called TY in its haploid genome. Fourth one, transposable elements in Drosophila. As much as 10% of the genome in Drosophila may consist of transposons. Most important of these are copia-like elements, the foldback, FB and P and I elements. First one, copia-like elements in Drosophila. The size of copia and copia-like elements may range from 5 to 8.7 kb and their number per genome may range from 10 to 80. FB elements. These elements range from a few hundred to few thousand base pair in length and carry long inverted repeats at the terminal so that they can always fold back to form stem and loop structure. P and I elements. The P and I elements are responsible for hybrid dysgenesis in Drosophila when strains like P, M, I and R are crossed in a certain combinations. Fifth one, controlling or transposable elements in corn. The transposable elements, although studied initially only in bacterial cells, but were originally discovered in maize plant by Marcus Rohedes and Barbara McClintock. These genetic elements in maize were found to be responsible for turning the expression of genes or of, hence the name controlling elements. Mechanism of transposition. It has been shown that transposons have genes coding for an enzyme called transposase which cleaves off DNA segment of transposon by recognizing the reverse repeats. In transposon TN3, a gene transposase has been recognized along with a regulator gene synthesizing a repressor. The repressor regulates the synthesis of transposase as it and its own synthesis. This is the mechanism of transposition. Uses of transposons. First one, transposons as genetic markers. Transposons may be used as a genetic markers because they change the pattern of restriction fragments obtained after digestion with specific restrictions endonucleases. Second one, transposons as mutagens and transposon tagging for isolation of genes. Insertion of transposons can be used as a method for inducing mutations as have been shown in a number of spontaneous mutations involving ACDS system in maize and PM and IR system of hybrid dysgenesis in Drosophila melanogaster. Transposons as transformation vectors. It has been shown that genes can be transformed artificially if carried by a transposons in plasmid. Important questions. First one, give a description of transposable elements, their type, structure and transposition events. Second one, give an account of different known transposons in eukaryotes. How do they differ from transposons from prokaryotes? Give an illustrated account of transposons in Drosophila and maize. Fourth one, explain mechanism of transposition. Fifth one, write the uses of transposons and characteristics of transposable elements. Short notes. Copia like elements in Drosophila, FB elements, TY elements in yeast, SPM, suppressor mutator system in corn, jumping genes. Thank you.